Hey everyone, over the years, we have conducted multiple free Salesforce career guidance sessions, and the pattern was always the same. Hundreds register, many attend, but only a few stayed till the end. Not because people didn't care, but because free sessions often lack commitment. So this time, we have decided to change the game. This was not a webinar, this was not a casual session, this was a full day Salesforce workshop and career guidance program designed with real structure, real effort, and real responsibility, led by Ashok Raj Rajendran with 12 plus years of Salesforce industry experience, supported by an expert team. And for the first time ever, we introduced a 199 rupees entry fee, not for profit but for serious learners. Honestly, even we had questions. Will people pay? Will they really show up? Will they stay for an entire day? Because behind this one day, our entire team had spent a full month preparing, planning every session, refining every demo, rehearsing, reviewing, and reworking with one clear goal. If someone show up, they must walk away transformed. Then came Jan 3rd. 130 paid participants joined us, and here's the moment we will always remember. All 130 stayed till the very end. Yes, a full day, no drop-offs, no disengagement. They learned Salesforce from scratch. They explored admin, automation, Apex, and real-time projects. They participated in admin and Apex hands-on, quizzes, and live discussions. Every participant received clear career guidance, doubt clarification, real industry insights from expert hands-on Salesforce exposure through live demos and guided practice, and a participation certificate too. This wasn't just a workshop. This was clarity delivered. This was trust earned. This was credibility proven. 130 is not just a number. It tells us one thing loud and clear. People trust AG skill development. People value serious learning. People are ready to invest in their future. Because when learning is intentional, success is inevitable. And if you miss the session, don't worry. More powerful sessions are coming your way. Bigger impact, deeper learning, stronger outcomes. Stay connected, stay committed. For more information, visit www.agskilldevelopment.com.